Okay guys, I have a glass for the side view mirror for a 1999 Toyota Land Cruiser. It's not the same for the 03 and up, but the way to get it off, the way to remove it is the same. So let's look at the back of this one. It's hooked on from here, 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 and here. So what we're gonna do is pop off this spot, and then we can move it like this and then just drop it down. And that's how you do it. So I'll show you really quick what to do. And where it attaches to the black piece, the white piece attaches to the black piece, you're gonna pop it off. You kind of get maybe a screwdriver in there and just pop it off on this side and then on this side as well. And then from there, you can just push it like this. And only those top two are on still. So push it all the way down. And then just pull it out like that. So there's those two pieces. These two we need to pop. We need to pop these two pieces off here and here. So again, just go like this, pop it out, and then you can just kind of slide it down and out. And that's how you remove it. So to put it back in, make sure those top two are there. And then you're just gonna slowly push it down until you hear it click. And just be sure that you have an even amount of pressure on it. And you can make sure it's on there. Yep. And that's how you do it.